How to make spoiler image and spoiler text on Discord. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make spoiler image and spoiler text on Discord. To do so, first of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device and in the search bar here type in discord.com. Once you have entered this keyword, now press on the enter button of your keyboard to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Discord. Once you reach to this page, simply click on this open Discord button at the top right corner and then ensure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Now here from the left sidebar, you will be able to see your server. Simply click on your server name and then once you reach to this chat page, here at the bottom, you will be able to see the message text box. Now to make the spoiler text on Discord, you will need to enclose your text between double vertical bars. If you simply enter your text and press enter, you won't be able to make it spoiler. But when you add two vertical bars at the right and left side of your text and press on enter, you will see the text has been hidden. In order to view it, you will need to simply click on it and then you will be able to view it. Now to make the image as spoiler on Discord, you will need to simply click on this plus button at the left side and then select upload a file option. Now you will need to select the image from your desktop. Simply right click on the image and then click on the open button at the right bottom and then here you will be able to see the image. At the top right of the image, you will be able to see this I button which says spoiler attachment. Simply click on it and then the image will appear blurred with a spoiler tag. Now press on enter to send it. The users can simply click on it in order to reveal it. So this is how you can make spoiler image and spoiler text on Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.